Confluent delivers a distributed event streaming service in the cloud that's built on the open source Apache Kafka. And I'm here with Dan Rosanova, who's going to tell us about how this service works. So can you start by giving us a little bit of background on what exactly is Apache Kafka and how does that make up the Confluent solution in the cloud?
Absolutely. So as you mentioned, Apache Kafka is an open source project. The founders of Apache Kafka founded Confluent a while back to really bring that to the world. And unlike the sort of batch-based integration world that exists today, Kafka is about real-time streams of information. So if you think about the world around you happens in real time, you hail a cab, you buy something, everything in our real world happens in real time. And we're trying to get people free from the batch mechanism that technology has forced us into over the last 40 years and back into the real-time world that we live in. We build all of this on top of Azure itself. So we are using compute services, storage services, lower level services in Azure to provide a high level service to put your data in motion.
That's amazing. And when you said that data in motion, I think about that data is always important, whether it's archived, but whenever we get those real-time insights, we're really able to make decisions about exactly what's happening right here in the now. And those are some great examples that you provided. But I'm also curious to hear about how Confluent's solution that's distributed through Microsoft Azure's marketplace, how is that enhanced through its facilities and functionalities that allow it to work with Azure? And how do you all integrate with some of the existing Azure services that are out there?
Yeah, we look at integrating into Azure really as a full life cycle thing for our customers, from how you find and start using our product through the marketplace where you don't have to provide a payment method, you just pay through Azure, all the way through to how security works, which is directly integrated with AAD, and then also how the service integrates with other services in Azure, for instance, all storage services, Cosmos DB, things like that. So literally, we focus on ease of use experience from start to finish, and you can get up and started in one day, point and click.
That's amazing. And what I'm hearing too is there's actually going to be some details that we're going to be giving shortly after this interview for folks who do want to get started. So anyone who is interested in taking the Confluent Cloud solution for a spin on Microsoft Azure will be able to learn more details about that as we get back to Microsoft Build 2022. So thank you again, Dan, for giving us those details on Confluent. We're really great to have you here. And we're looking forward to how we can leverage these event streaming platforms that Confluent provides for data solutions that our customers are building today.
Thank you very much.